All right, so I just woke up. Literally, I just woke up. I was like, all right, so there's this thing that's going on Reddit, and I was thinking about this r/science or whatever it was post. They're memes, really. Right, and there's this person that seems to want to go like, you have to believe that point 0.9 repeated is 1. And I'm like, it's effectively 1. I'm on calculus' side. No one needs to calculate the fucking point 0.9 repeated in any way past the point. That is ridiculous. Go fuck yourself. No. But at the same time, if we have to get pedantic and semantic levels of I have to get real aggressive with accuracy shit. That a bunch of math people go, and we remove the fucking repeated symbol so that way we can do basic algebra. We removed all the, hey, is 0.0 repeated, ... 0, 1 in a absolute here bracket. That thing? Right? It's like, no, we haven't proven that exists. You haven't proven that fucker changes at fucking infinite either. You just said it does. You've never done that. You never once did the math for that shit. Where's that? I want to know where that bitch is. Where's that fucker? Just imagine it's over there. There's a bunch of equations in the background. It's like, anyways, point is, it's like, okay, sure, that's obvious. No, it's 40. It's 40. Only 40 fucking things. These fucking numbers after decimal. You forgot what they're called, aren't you? Man, it's okay, though. I get what you're saying. And in fact, I forget all about that shit sometimes, too. You're good. Don't worry about it. Right, you are. Okay? Yeah. But as much as that's a thing, it's also wait a second. Okay, wait a second. We know that gravity over here happens to have a gravity well. This big old sphere, right? It's almost like an orbital cloud. Right? And it extends past this Oort cloud, right? We know that it extends past, right? That's kind of like electromagnetism, right? Because you want to know why we know? It's like, hey, Macarena, I've got this thing, it's cheating on me. How did these waves continue to propagate? How did this happen? Where did these fuckers go? How did this happen? The fuck? How do they do this? I don't know. We're just going along with this. We have a lot of knowledge. We definitely have the fucking evidence for this shit. We're just gonna go along with this. There's nothing here. No matter what, it is definitely happening. I still don't really maybe know how. And I'm like, okay, that's cool. That's cool, right? Is it? Here's another gravity well, it's started, it's propagating, and it's constructively interfering, right? It's close enough to themselves, right? And you know what happens? If I'm just right, I get two little Venn diagrams that get real close together, almost like they're a fucking ionic and or covalent bond. Now granted, this is where the similarities end. Okay, that's how that works. It's not electromagnetism. Don't do that. It's just to relate information to our brains. Okay? Don't do that. But, nevertheless, at the same time, guess what happens? Space and time elongate. But they grab each other and they pull themselves together. Right? Space and time elongates. Wave interferences in that area are different. In fact, they practically get lens, that's an Einstein style of lensing, that happens to change how our good old-fashioned telescopes work. And it's not there and we don't see it! Yeah, because it's gonna look that way, you dumb fucking cunt. That's the point. That's why it does that. You're a retard. You didn't see how, an elongated structure is just, more equal, straight space-time, right? We already know that here's this one, a photon in a compressed area called gravitational well of space-time happens to travel different speeds through it. We already know that. You want to know why we know that? You get something really fucking fast, and you get really dense, and you hit it really hard. It changes its total mass for a brief little bit of time. Okay, that's a thing. It does that. Then we know this, photons go through it more quickly. But it's not doing it. It's a relativistic concept, right? Like, we're literally seeing on a small scale, but it's not quantum. Except it kind of is, when you really think about that. But what we say is, no, it happened to go through for its relative area of energy. This is Dr. Michio Kaku. Of course, it's actually not. See, that's the thing. That's a different dimensional string thing, except this happens to deal with, like, classical. Then there's a quantum. So anyways, point is, it just means that it travels through more quickly for its energy and space-time compression area. Right? That's all it's doing. And then we elongated the space-time. And we were like, nope. Our measurement correct. 40 will work my expansion rate. Same across the board. We see this happen small scale. We don't say it happened aloud out there. No, it don't. It doesn't. Meanwhile, a bunch of scientists looking the other way, fucking pee somehow. I know damn well that's the truth. We don't make predictions or educated guesses based upon observational evidence over time. This guy was posting about some science deniers. I'm like, this title is wrong. This fucking shit, this should be way more accurate. This fucking meme is wrong. These two buttons here are wrong. I have to deny some of this science. Yeah, no, sometimes science just gets rid of certain science. That's the thing, and we do that. We deny certain science. The fuck is this? Who is this guy? Who's trying to stand for us? This fucking bullshit. He's bad. Who is this crap? This is just a bad all-around meme. I got likes and shit. More than you've probably ever gotten. Yeah, huh? Yeah, it shows you how stupid people are. That doesn't mean anything. There's a lot of stupid people also in fucking science, you dumb. You know what I mean? Like, that's a thing. You're calling me dumb, though. Yeah, you're allowed to be dumb. You're not allowed to be fucking, like, not dumb? That's fucking bullshit. Oh, wait. No, that means you're allowed to be dumb. See what I mean? See what I'm doing there? It's pretty simple stuff. Okay? Like, it's like, no. Yeah, it might not be, it could be 41 or 42. It could be any of those things. 40 is more than enough for most things, and that's the facts, right? That's the point. And like that, I was like arguing for this guy, oh, we're 99.9 repeated fucking percent, we'll miss the moon. And I'm like, no, he's wrong, but like he's got an idea there that's correct. He's got an idea, right, that's correct. But like, not really. Not for the moon. If we were talking, I need to aim for like this fucking thing for this another universe. Like, how many nines do we gotta go to? Like, he's wrong, but he's right in a context where, like, after enough distance, he will be correct. We will miss something. Okay? And that's how that works. But at the same time, I'm like, there's a bunch of retards that are saying it's one in the fucking chat, just retarded belief systems and views. Right? They're not stupid, they're not dumb, they're just retarded. Their brain not firing right at the before top dead center here. You know what I mean? It's like, and bang! It's gone up to the top, it's going down, it's down, oh bang! Whoosh! Like, no! Guys, you shouldn't look at that Wikipedia article. It doesn't even prove in any goddamn way that there's these other smaller finite infinites that they're getting past. Okay? Which, that's right, it's an infinite finite. It's, by its very nature, a repeating number that will never stop repeating. Which means it can never do anything other than that. That's the point. So when you see the algebra go, and it's gone, it's like, you were wrong! You did the thing and fucking... this sucking little dick. I don't know how the fuck you managed to pull this off on a Wikipedia article. If I went up to my math teacher back in the day, they would have fucked my ass up so fast doing that shit. I just got rid of something that is very much necessary for my math in the first place. Look at me just get rid of that. Looking, what? How? How did you do that? Also, I'll just go closer to this when this fucking little spiral graph, like golden ratio. There's several of them. I did a whole bunch of comments. Some guy comes around. He's like, you're fucking dumb. Yeah, this is coming in from another person. You know what I mean? That did something similar to that before. It's been going on for like 3 fucking years. I seem to hit these motherfuckers, or there's a group of them, or it could even be the same motherfucker, honestly. That they just keep doing it. You know what I mean? Like, they know I'm on these subreddits sometimes, right? And I'm like, what's up? Hey, what's up? Right? And it's like, hey, this is a basic fucking comment here about something. I got angry and took that to judgmental level, judging psychopathic stock levels of fucking heart. Go do other things. Do anything other than that. No one says you should have internet. You're one of the people that definitely, look, hear me out. You shouldn't have it. Ever. Not at all. Not even a little. Stop using it. Go away. Destroy no one's life. Go into an institution. Never be around others. Ever. I mean that too. 100%. You will just do it to someone in real life. That's the thing, that you will do that. You are a despicable, terrible piece of shit person when you're like that. Nothing about you's good anymore. That's the point. So, to move forward, it's like, yeah, no, it might be 40 in no way. It's not. We know it's not 40. It doesn't matter. We know it's not 40. But we also go like, yeah, no, that total distance is this? Nuh-uh. Yeah, no, that level of a small, of a tiny little dot. You do know what this is? This photon little fucker? Do you know what that is? That could be a multitude of different, like, little fucking ray streams which this is an angle of incidence as we move and accelerate to the point where that fucking light happens to exist and we're blue shifting it up. Which that doesn't even get into, like, which then constructively interferes to where we're then arriving to it and saying that this is like this. Then there's all the different constructive and destructive interferences, all the interstellar and fucking intergalactic and intersupercluster matrices of fucking matter, which are absolutely gonna fuck that up. Like, there are so many different ways that this fucking makes it so it's a mirage level hallucination in your math. And it's like, you're wrong. If we stare at it hard enough in this one area, sure, for a few 100,000 years, maybe. Maybe a few billion, perhaps. That's how long light structures happen to work and exist as, in a very real way, around you. So you're wrong. When you're like, no, I didn't accelerate into light. Yes, we're always looking at the light in the past. You do know that, right? You literally don't understand science now. We have all accepted we are accelerating faster than light here, but light relative to us is still good. Yeah, no, we don't happen to have that issue. We're just blue shifting the light that we're then arriving into as messages practically. And we're going bang, 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 bang in a video game effectively. And we're going, yo, that fucking light though, it looks like this. It's not there. It's gone. That thing's dead. You look at it from that density and it moves, right? That movement, right? It's like, that's third generation back there. Yet all of those stars gone, bro. They're not there, dude. I'm telling you right now, that's not a thing. They don't exist. You can't tell me those stars. How are we seeing them? How are we seeing stars that don't exist? I just told you, you fucking retard. What do you mean, you fucking stupid cunt? How fucking stupid are you? What are you, dumb, stupid, or actually fucking loser levels of idiot, you fucking retard? The fuck is this? What are you doing? I just said it. But no, you said I don't understand how accelerate relativistics. Go take any courses for learning. God damn it. You got anything out there? You fucking stupid little retard. Shut up. I am a smart PhD in an entirely different field of study. Yeah, and it clearly shows you don't have any understanding of what the hell this is. You got really good spike levels of knowledge here in your little fucking circle diagram that shows off, this one specific thing and that's it. I got the street like you. Apparently you don't, because my street is actually a lot of science. My knowledge science is better than your knowledge science. Isn't that shitty for you, huh? Oh, no one fucking says this or thinks this way about me, and I am perfect and everybody loves me. It says projection here. You don't have enough love in your life, you don't get hugs. This is Has-Been Hotel where you gotta go around the fucking the circle. We got angel dust over here just fucking reading from I am the crackhead that didn't get enough hugs. This is so real. Some of them, actually, it's a little too on the nose. You're right, I didn't get enough hugs. That might have changed some things for what it's worth. Holy shit! What the fuck? Damn! Viv, she'll go hard on your ass a little bit there, won't she? Fucking all you needed was hugs, bro. Yeah, well, some of you, maybe. Point is, though, the stupid part here is indeed that it's like, no, it really is. Like, yeah, no, but it's down to this fucking, level of a hydrogen atom for 40, and it's like, no. Maybe, over a distance of our local, kind of supercluster, maybe, it's got, 1,000 years for sure. That seems to be pretty close. Now, how many stars and nebula gases, and if we know about this and it gets trapped in between these things, and we can't actually, because it lines it to just not actually interact and reflect off of and refract and diffract off of these given particles here and molecules and matter, and then that actually then decays a state of these massive amount of magnetic structures and electrostatic structures, and then it gives me a nice light admittance effect over distance here. And there's plasmas there that also basically elicit more light as they travel, which then hides them, if you will, inside of those structures, which means that's dark matter and dark energy just kind of solved, but not really actually. It would increase it. Yeah, we know. We don't actually know how many neutrons and neutrinos are there. So if we were to go, hey, there's a plus or minus of 5 times, or even all of it, then we're yeah, that's another one that could technically, be a thing. We don't actually, unfortunately, know. We go, our local area that has different densities of this given neutrino and neutron pressure from our fucking, star we orbit. Right? And we're and it's coming in. No, it's blasting its ass through. As it's closer to the star, it's less and less likely to get it. Go away, I shove my own neutrons in you. I'm also kicking down there. And we're neutrons get matched with my gravitational wave. And we're no, the resonant frequency of our wave and our spin add up to our other gravitational waves of our fucking orbiting bodies around me. The star? Did you turn into the sun there, you scientist? What is this? You can rephrase that. You're not the sun. You know that, right? Yes, they should do that, yes. And they have their own amounts of absorption and reduction and increasing of neutrons and neutrinos, right? Yeah, well, yes. What about, the radioactive material of isotopic natures here? No, yes, that exists in the interstellar, intergalactic, and intersuperclusteral media. Why is it that that's not... We can't account for that. Fuck you. Yes, you could. You know you could. You could do the work by a center-out approach, like I said in all those other videos. Why don't you do that? It's 40 is good enough. It could be way more. You don't know. It's more than good enough, though, to like go to like some other star, probably, for what it's worth. But like at the same time, if you wanted to actually get to like another, edge of the universe, which we don't even know where that is, then the answer is nuh-uh. It's not. You have to deal with that. That's the semantic pedantic part of us scientists and physicists and engineers. And yeah, I'm a part of you, even if I don't really publish or do anything like that. Yeah, some of us can be a part of that. Yeah, but you're not allowed to be included in our bubble. You're only an actual valid one when you do that. Yeah. No. That's not how that works. See ya. I'm coming in hot at the end here. Okay. 1.3, 3.2% changed back down to 1%. That's a fucking asteroid near us. The Heisenberg uncertainty, which is not that. I call it my own. I call it a Lemke uncertainty. It's because it's off my last name here. That's right. That's right, motherfucker, it is. It's a Lemke uncertainty. The further the distance out, the more uncertain it gets. What you're looking at is actually there, and even what it is you're seeing, and what the travel distance is, the speed, the direction, and more. And in fact, even then, what's going to influence it until where it's going to go. So you go, and then it was this distance. And it's for sure looking like this. Excuse my friend, he's got the right idea. Like, okay, I get it. But we're pretty uncertain about that, okay? Like, that's the thing. We're pretty fucking massively uncertain about that. But, like, he's got the right idea. Like, don't listen to him. Just fucking...